This is my Kershaw assisted opening knife. So I actually got this knife a really long time ago, and since then, I think that it has held its quality because I got my buddy a new one for he had some events going on in his life, and I decided to get him something to cheer him up. And I got him this knife, the exact one I have, just a little bit newer, and he loves it. He said it's super quality. It's going to be his everyday carry. He's in the police academy. He said he's going to start carrying it. And so what makes this knife so great is it opens like that. It's assisted open. Some call it a switchblade. I think a switchblade's a little different than what this is, and then to close it, you just push in on the left there. It closes super easy. And if you're wondering if this will ever like fly open in your pocket, trust me, it won't. I've had it for so long and it never has. You have to push down in just the right way to get it to come up like that. And so let me just tell you, I could do this all day. It's the most satisfying knife open you'll ever have. Just listen to this. And it's super quick. I think one thing about a lot of knives like this with the assisted open is they'll be kind of loose right here, which is concerning if you were going to use it for self-defense. You don't want it to break. And I can tell you that right now, like, this one doesn't move. It's just, I mean, it doesn't move. And so as far as that goes, you're in the clear for sure. The overall look of it right here is just, it looks awesome. It's got this spot for your finger. And I mean, I can't say enough good things about this knife. It's pretty awesome, and it's really heavy and sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels, I don't know what exactly, stainless steel, I guess, is what it's made out of. It feels so sturdy though, and the blade itself is very, very sharp. I mean, I could shave with this thing. So just show you guys one more time. That's the Kershaw knife.